July is one of the richest months for gathering wild, nutritious foods, but most people don't even realize what's growing around them. Hi everyone, welcome to Natural Earth Living. Today I'm showing you 5 unique summer superfoods you can forage, grow at home, and identify safely. We'll cover where to find them, how to grow them, how to tell them apart from dangerous lookalikes, and what makes them so good for your health. 1. Serviceberries, Juneberries. Serviceberries grow on small trees and shrubs across North America, often along woodland edges, old fence rows, park borders, and abandoned homesteads. They prefer sunny to partly shaded locations and well-drained soil. Look for clusters of blue-purple berries resembling blueberries, ripening in late June through July. Serviceberries are easy to cultivate in home gardens. Choose a sunny spot with loamy soil. Plant bare root or potted shrubs in early spring or fall. Keep them watered until established. They're hardy and often resistant to pests. Rich in antioxidants, especially anthocyanins that help protect cells from damage. High in fiber, supporting digestion and healthy cholesterol levels. Good source of vitamin C to strengthen the immune system. Contains manganese for bone health. Dangerous lookalikes. Chokecherries can look similar. Key difference. Chokecherry fruit grows in elongated clusters, while serviceberries grow in short, rounded clusters. Leaves. Chokecherry leaves have finely serrated edges, while serviceberry leaves are more oval and smooth-edged. Always taste cautiously. Serviceberries are sweet, while chokecherries are bitter. 2. Japanese knotweed shoots. This plant thrives along riverbanks, damp woods, and disturbed soils like roadsides or abandoned lots. In cooler climates, you can still find young, tender shoots in early July. Look for bamboo-like hollow stems with red speckles. If you choose to grow it for harvest, use containers and never allow it to spread. It spreads aggressively by rhizomes and can damage foundations and natural habitats. Note: knotweed is highly invasive and illegal to cultivate in many areas. Contains resveratrol, an antioxidant linked to heart health and reduced inflammation. High in vitamin C to boost immunity. Traditionally used in herbal medicine for Lyme disease support. Dangerous lookalikes. Poison hemlock, very toxic. Can grow in similar wet places. Key difference. Hemlock has smooth stems with purple blotches, not speckles, and fern-like leaves, whereas knotweed has broad, heart-shaped leaves. If in doubt, do not harvest. 3. Daylily flowers. You'll see daylilies in ditches, old homesteads, and perennial beds. The plants have strappy green leaves and clusters of large, orange, trumpet-shaped flowers. Plant daylily tubers in full sun to partial shade. They tolerate most soils but prefer well-drained beds. They multiply quickly and require little care. Blooms last just 1 day. Harvest early in the morning for best flavor. Flowers and buds are rich in beta-carotene, supporting healthy vision and skin. Contains vitamin A for immune function. Mild diuretic properties in traditional medicine, used sparingly. Dangerous lookalikes. True lily, like tiger lily and Asiatic lily. Look similar but can be toxic if ingested. Key difference. Daylilies have fibrous roots, while true lily have bulb-like structures. Always verify with a guide before eating any wild lily-like flower. 4. Yarrow leaves. Yarrow thrives in meadows, roadsides, and grassy fields. Look for feathery, fern-like leaves and flat-topped clusters of tiny white, sometimes pink, flowers. Yarrow is easy to grow from seed or division. Plant in full sun with well-drained soil. It is drought-tolerant and attracts pollinators. Harvest leaves and flowers before peak bloom for maximum potency. known for anti-inflammatory and antimicrobial properties. Traditionally used to help digestive discomfort and reduce fevers. Fresh leaves can be used topically to help stop minor bleeding as a poultice. Dangerous lookalikes. Poison hemlock can appear similar in leaf shape. Key difference. Yarrow has hairy stems and a strong, pleasant scent, while poison hemlock has smooth, purple blotched stems and a musty odor. Queen Anne's lace, wild carrot. Flowers look similar, but their leaves are carrot-like, not feathery. 5. Wild grape leaves. Look along sunny forest edges, old fences and hedgerows. Vines can grow vigorously, climbing trees or stone walls. Leaves are broad, lobed, and toothed. Plant wild grape cuttings in full sun. They need sturdy support, fences or trellises. Prune each winter to encourage strong growth. Harvest leaves in midsummer before they toughen. Leaves are rich in antioxidants, including flavonoids that support circulation. Contain vitamin K, important for healthy blood clotting. Low in calories and high in fiber, supporting digestion. Dangerous lookalikes. Moonseed, Menispermum canadense, is a toxic lookalike. Key differences. Moonseed leaves are more rounded and less lobed. Moonseed has a single crescent-shaped seed inside the berry, not multiple grape seeds. Moonseed vines lack the tendrils that grapevines use to climb. Never eat the berries if unsure moonseed fruit is highly poisonous. Nature is abundant if you know where to look. I hope this guide helps you forage safely, grow your own wild foods, and discover new flavors this summer. Remember, always double-check your plant IDs before eating anything. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to Natural Earth Living, and share your favorite wild summer plants in the comments.